Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a beaded ring. So this is how it goes. So you drop 4 sand bead and through your thread. So you drop it in and you cross with 1, just like that. Yeah. Then the next step is to drop each side of the thread. Drop 1. That on the left you drop 1, on the right you drop 1, then you interlock with 1. Yeah, just like that. So you continue until you get the required ring measurement. Normally I use a tape, so this particular one I beaded 9 times before expanding. So just watch. Yeah, so now it's time for us to expand. So to expand, as I said, I made a row of 9, and after which what I did was to drop 3 beads on the lower thread and then cross with 1. And when you do that, you will notice that it shifts, just as you can see on the screen. It shifts position. Then after which you then add additional 3. So the additional 3 now should be on the upper needle thread. Yeah, so then you cross with the other needle, just like that. Yeah, so what you're going to do right now, you're going to use the lower needle and then pass through, just like that, exactly. Good. Then now with the upper thread, you pick 2 sand beads, just 2. Good. Then you interlock with the other needle, exactly. Good. Just like that. And then you use the lower thread to pass through. Yes, pass it through. Then with the upper one, you pick 2 sand beads. So you just continue until you get to the end. When you get to the end, then I'll tell you exactly what to do. So just keep watching.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and
so now we are fast approaching the ending part. So when you get to the last, what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop 2 beads on the lower thread. Yes, 2. Then you cross with the other side and you interlock. Yes, just like that. And ta-da! So now we are done. So now it's time to seal this baby up. So watch closely what's gonna happen. So you bring them together. Yes, then you use the other side, and then you pass through. You have to take 1 bead and then you pass through. Pass it through. Yes. Okay. And see, you take another one, then you interlock. Exactly. Practice makes perfect. It might look difficult, but trust me, it's not really that hard. So you pass through again on both sides, pass through with the other needle, and you take another bead and then you interlock, just 1 bead. Good. And that's it. So what's going to happen now, we're trying to make a knot, so we have to pass through some beads, maybe like 2, it's fine, and then you make them come close to each other and then you tie it up. So we do this so that it doesn't get loosed, So this is me tying it now. Yeah. And then I pass it through maybe 1 more bead or 2 just to hide the knot. And that's pretty much it. And that's it. There you go, you have your beaded ring. So you cut off the thread and you use a lighter to burn whatever it's hanging out. But I try not to use a lighter so it doesn't like melt the thread off. So I think it's fine this way. And that's it. So nice, so fancy, so unique, so you. Yeah, look at that. Wow, amazing. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you.